Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel Walking Thoughts Nebraska. For our video this weekend, we want to continue sharing with you our adventures in Marysville, Kansas. Remember, we visited our friend from Marysville, and after our time downtown, we couldn't miss having a hiking adventure. Our friend shared with us a hiking trail that is just a few minutes from downtown. This is the Alcove Spring Park. Alcove Spring Park consists of more than 200 acres of native prairie and timberland maintained for the preservation of this historic camping ground on the Oregon-California Trail. Here we are! Welcome to Alcove Spring Park. We are going to share with you some history about the place. That way we get to hike and learn at the same time. Alcove Spring became a favored camping and resting area for westward bound immigrants beginning early in the 19th century. Amenities here have been improved for modern hikers such as ourselves, but since 1843, westward migration began to explode, and over the next 25 years, more than 1.4 million people headed west, and many along the Oregon-California Trail have passed through this very area. When you look around, the three main grasses you're going to see here are the big blue stem, Indian grass, and switchgrass. These are green in the spring before heading out 6 or 7 feet tall in the late summer. We reached the area where there's supposed to be a spring, but since there's not much rain lately, this is dry at this time. Along the way, we're going to see dozens of varieties of wildflowers as well. They begin to bloom in early spring and continue throughout the summer. There are deer, coyotes, quail, wild turkeys, and a variety of other birds and animals here. Although during this hike, we didn't see any of those wild animals. More information about this area during much of the crossing through this region by the immigrants going westward, they will have seen no trees at all but miles of tall prairie grasses. The Alcove Spring property was privately owned until 1993 when it was purchased by the nonprofit Alcove Spring Historical Trust. Now, more than 220 acres are available for public enjoyment and historic preservation. In one of the markers here, they encourage visitors to explore the walking trails. Trails above the spring area lead to the east side of the property near the railroad tracks, and then you're able to return through a sylvan area near the small stream below. The Stella's Meadow is named in honor of the longtime owner, Stella Hammett. That expansive meadow was the end of the hiking trail. After spending a few minutes there, we are now headed towards our parking space. We want to say thank you to all of you for always joining us in all of our hiking adventure. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell as well. That way, whenever we have a new video, you'll be updated. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Bye!